Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a plain cushion. All right, here I'm doing a pair. So I have cut two pieces, 18 by 18. This would be the front. And for the back, I have cut four pieces because they are going to be joined together, and then I'm going to insert a zipper. So right now I'm going to work on the back. I'm going to stitch 1 inch in. So I'm going to mark now 1 inch in, and then 2 inches from the end. All right, so I would stitch along this line and then do the same thing for the other side, and the zipper will be inserted in the middle. All right, so having stitched the section here now, I went ahead and pinned it down, and now I am going to be basting in the zipper. I am using a black zipper at this time, and I am going to baste the smaller side first, close to but not covering the zipper. All right, so here is the zipper all stitched in. All right, so what I'm going to do now is to remove the basting thread, and then I am going to show you now how to fit it with the other side. All right, now having done that, I'm going to pull the zipper about halfway down to open it, and I'm now going to lay this right side to the other right side, and I'm going to lay it on the front of the other side. Then I'm going to pin this in place, then I'm going to baste it and stitch it together. And once I have done that, then I am going to show you what the finished product will look like. All right, guys, so here I have the finished cushion cover, and here I have the sponge bag. All right, this will be inserted in this, and here is the completed cushion, ready for your settee, etc., etc. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.